All right, inspection 4. What's his name?
Greg Coker.
Greg Coker. Let's see what we got. What's the carrier?
What's the carrier? Auto owners, yeah.
Auto owners. All right. Yeah, there's a little bit here, man, but there ain't enough for auto owners. Not that I'm seeing yet, at least. Nah.
Blister.
Yeah, it's a blister. Same as this one. See how when you're all the way in it, see how it's concave and there's already fiberglass showing? So that fiberglass means it's deteriorated by the sun. That's been sitting there for a while, and that sharp edge that's not pushed in means it was pushed out. So
Fiberglass shown on this one, though.
yeah, I know. That's just, you can see it's concave. Like, that's an actual hail hit, but that is old. Now you can see it's dented in. Same thing right there. See that one dented? But that's so small, man. Most carriers are not going to recognize that. So I don't think they're going to pay for that type of hail. But let's see what else we got. If that's all we find,
Like I said, it's coming from the west.
that ain't going to be enough.
I feel like these left slopes are going to be where we're going to see most of it.
I've got some tool marks here.
All the way down to
Mechanical damage from a tool. A little bit more down here.
all the way down.
Yeah. What we got over here. I mean, it's just small hail on a young shingle, man. That's all this is going to be. There's
What do you think this is?
probably like 12 to 14. I mean, it's got a ridge fit and drip edge, so, I mean, it's post 08. Came from this way, you said?
From the west, yeah.
Yep. Okay. Yeah, man, I'm not seeing it. Are you?
No.
Yeah, man. The way I kind of gauge these is if the hail is that small, we ask ourselves, if we don't touch this roof for the next 5 years, is it going to be okay? This roof's going to be perfectly fine. I will get a better opportunity later. Yeah. We got drip edge, we got starter, we got arcs, everything's installed properly. Looks like it's going to be a GAF shingle most likely. Not seeing any wind, minimal hail, no soft damage. You said you chalked the gutters. Did you find anything?
I didn't see anything on the gutters, no.
Yeah.
It's those full round gutters, so.
That's a bullet hole right there.
You think so?
I know so. Yeah, that's a bullet hole.
How do you know?
See how deep it is and how round? That's definitely a bullet hole. So we got a bullet hole here, some more mechanical damage, pretty decomposed. That's going to be older. Nothing. 2012.
I don't even own one.
Nothing. Yeah, nothing here, man. Everything looks good. I really don't like this valley, but I guess it ain't wrong. I don't like this valley, but it's just allowing for water intrusion into the clippings.
Why? 'Cause it's not woven?
I mean, it's set right. They just used 2 small pieces. I would have probably made a bigger one. Yeah, you can see they got some spatter. They got good spatter, man, but this is like a sleet storm. Nothing on these. Maybe a little spatter. They're actually 3 tabs, not starter strips, but yeah. All right, yeah, let's get down. There ain't nothing here. Nothing here. Maybe. So we got a little damage there. You can see a little bit of a shine right here. We got something else here. Another mechanical damage. I mean, you could probably sell them like a 50 shingle repair if you wanted to. But I don't really do repairs.
I don't think this guy's gonna be sold on anything.
I doubt it either. I think he's just being safe.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go over here. This is probably the directly impacted slope. You got a little bit more spatter, not a lot.
Where at?
See a little.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That's the size of the hail that hit here, man. That's why. I think that's what we're getting.
Well, yeah. I mean, hail trace says, you know, inch and a or whatever. It just looked like little tiny EVs.
Yeah. Yeah, there's not even any spatter through this algae. Alright, yeah, I've seen enough. We're good. Yeah, let's get down.
I would, if you got a few minutes, John Ryan's parents' house is like 5 minutes from here. Why don't you hop up there and get a second on that one?
Yeah. What's going on here? They must have just bent it when they put it in. Same thing here. Bunch of mechanical damage again. Whoever installed this dropped tools all over this thing. Whoa, Jack Sparrow today. All right, that's all we got. Let's get down.